This grunge recipe uses 4 ingredients: instant coffee, vanilla flavoring, rubbing alcohol, and cinnamon. There's no set recipe for making a grunge recipe, and this coffee is instant coffee that has been dissolved with water, and that will give the depth and deepness of the dye we're going for. The scent and fixative can be yielded through vanilla flavoring or different flavorings, and they used to be made with alcohols. So use a dash of that, a teaspoon or so, to a cup of your instant coffee. Now remember, your grunge recipe can be kept. That is why we want to use alcohol as a fixative. This inhibits mold, stagnation, and keep any bacteria growth down. Other things to bear in mind is you can also make a tea dye and herb dyes. You can add water to make the color a lighter color or to deepen it. And spices are cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, and allspice as the most common used. For this particular recipe, we're only using cinnamon. But herbs can also yield different colors and hues into your primitive coffee dyes. Also, remember herbs keep bugs such as beetles, weevils, and moths from eating all of your handmade primitive items and gives them extra protection. With all these added together, especially including the alcohol as a fixative, it yields a certain stiffness to the fabrics and you get that overall primitive look. It's just a beautiful hue. You can mix these all together and remember, whatever grunge you don't use, you can capture it back into your container, keep it in a cool, dry place for long storage, and use it over and over again. And each time you add water or add more instant coffee, the deeper or lighter the color will be. Here's an example of this particular grunge recipe I've made at a very dark strength onto candy canes. Be sure to cover any surfaces you're going to expose to the grunge recipe because it will stain everything it comes in contact with. And this particular one, it'll be a little sticky, so wash your hands. Be sure to add this to your playlist and subscribe to Dandysoap DIY for more DIYs. Here's an example of this grunge recipe on the snowman. Until the next DIY, I'll be crafting y'all.